One little puppy. Right. Trying to record. It only goes for so many seconds or something, does it? Alright, so yeah, I rebaited all these out. You know, I stuffed up. I should have rebaited them properly. So that was my first attempt. So that front board is everything's back into the studs. The internal studs. So that was the first bit I did. And here I've got what they call it, bloody bird mouthed out. Just the front bits. And around there. And everything's got a bugle screw in it. Can't quite see, but yeah, there's bugle screws there. Everything's bugle screwed. It's up there. Things bugle screwed, bugle screwed, bugle screwed. And all these ones here you can't quite see, but they're all bugle screwed at the top as well. I'm still yet to put screws in to the sides, but they can't twist being rebaited in. And I'm just doing this bit now, so probably shouldn't get up here. I'm out of line. But yeah, everything's lining up. Everything's lining up to there at the moment. So I've attached separate here, so I've put all these straight into the studs behind. So I located every stud behind, and they're like 10-inch bloody bugle screws or 7-inch bugle screws. The really long ones, they go in deep. And all these bugle screwed here. But then I'll still do bracing here. So again, I've got one there, stud into the stud there, rebate out. I'll put one more there. It's a bit of a prick putting this up yesterday. So to get it up, I used this little side brace there. I put a little side brace on and rested it on that nail there. So I rested everything. And then as I slid it up, the end sort of notched into that. That's the join there, where the two meet. Now I lifted up that side over there, rested it on the nail and got it level and bugle screwed in. Came back and did this end. This stretch here, from here to there, oh yeah, that was a challenge. I ended up using the ladder I'm on at the moment and rested that ladder up against that, put one end on there, rested that end on there, and then got up and put this end on. One thing I'm bloody proud of is how plumb I'm keeping it. Like, everything is so plumb. Well, I think like, we're coming down and have a look now. Let's see how plumb everything is. How plumb is she? Oh, how plumb is that? Oh, everything's just beautiful. Everything's bloody 3 bags of concrete in that one. And all these little small, they've all got 2 bags of concrete. 3 bags in the uprights. This centre upright though is a bit different. So I re-braced it underneath here before I put this board down. And then yeah, she's well and truly secured. But yeah, running these, yeah, I had to plane all these boards down to get them in. I could see why the previous bloke was like, huh, you could have made this an easier job. Sure, I know. It could have been a much easier job. Sir Lancevich. Oh, Mr. Anderson. Yes. Well, hey man, hope you come and enjoy a beer and have a laugh. But we're getting there. I'm getting there. I'm going to get this bit finished by tonight. which I was really happy how all this plumbed up. When I was putting this other bit in, I was very happy with that, how that plumbed up. This stretch, this front stretch. Yeah, Faye keeps passing me nails and all that. She's a good little helper. So yeah, live at the ranch. Just like to remind everybody, hey, under God. So there's God, then under God, so God up there, and God all around us, and under God they appoint a crown. And under a crown I appoint a flag. Then under a flag you can appoint your crest. And then if you want to, you can say, well, it's a combat. You're allowed to do that. You're allowed to do that. Love you. Love every one of you. Happy days.